we're on our back. We're gonna tuck our pelvis in, get our low back nice and flat, bring the knees into just an extend. Hello? Yeah, they're definitely gonna hit the like button on this one. Yeah, I think they really like this type of content, and they're all about supporting the channel. Yeah, they're hitting the like button right now as we speak. Okay, bye-bye. One leg is going to start going back. This is my right leg that is going back. When the leg goes back, it goes back straight. So whenever any leg goes away from your body, rock hard, super strong leg, okay? Rock hard goes back. The other leg that is coming toward your body is gonna slightly bend. We don't wanna bend like crazy because then it starts looking like bicycle legs, and this isn't really that cute and flattering, unless of course it's what you're going for. You know, I always say there are no rules here, but unless you're going for that bike look, try not to let that happen. So, right leg goes back, it's nice and straight. Left leg comes towards my body with a very slight knee bend. Then I'm going to switch. The leg that's close to me is going to straighten, and it's going to start walking away as the leg that's away from me is going to bend and come toward me. So now this one's straight, this one's bent. Now they're going to switch. So leg away is always the leg that is straight. So when it goes away from you, you straighten. When it comes towards you, you soften it gently, not bending too much. Now, how do we make these a little bit more interesting? It's all in the hips and the oblique, okay? So we're going to be learning how to do this motion right here. Right here. Because once you get this down, it really adds a nice other dimension to your waves. So you need to work on pulling your hips toward you. So let's just get in this position here with the legs relaxed. Bring your knees as close to your chest as possible and open them out to the side so you're just kind of relaxed. Okay, I'm on my elbows here, super relaxed. You can even be on your back if this is even more relaxing. The point is to start working on this motion. Let me just show you from different angles so you understand the importance of moving your damn hips. So I am scrunching my obliques and I'm bringing this hip up to this side. Then I'm going to scrunch the other side and bring it up. So this is the motion that we want. I'm showing you from different angles. Once you get this down, you want to incorporate that movement of the hips with the legs. Here we go. Tuck that pelvis, flatten that low back, extend the legs, and start to just move the hips. Forget the legs right now. Move the hips. Once that feels good with legs straight, start to see how you can incorporate that oblique crunch and twist and see how it makes your walks a little bit more interesting. That is your homework for this week, is to play here. You can also get onto the elbows. It's a little bit more challenging for the good old abs and hip flexors, but play different parts. Notice now I'm really twisting through my hips and I'm adding this little cute raw to it. Enjoy, play on, enjoy.